just to turn it into what it is. I'm gonna throw a picture right here of what it looked like when I first got it. And then this is obviously what it looks like now. Also built this casting deck here. So this basically consisted of me going to Lowe's, just kind of shaped it and built it and put the carpet over it, and just to have a deck that you can stand up on and cast on. But when I built it, I didn't take into account that, especially if there's two people in the boat, you're probably not gonna wanna stand up there. My youngest daughter, she could, she's got pretty good balance, but quickly realized that it's not something, especially if I'm in the boat by myself, that I'm gonna wanna walk up there and cast off of. So I had to make some other modifications, which that's where these guys came in. So I just recently built those. There's one on each side. Again, if you haven't watched a video of me building those, go check it out. There are no other videos on YouTube of someone using outriggers like this on their JON boats. There's tons of them about canoes and kayaks, but nothing about a JON boat. So if you haven't watched that video, go check it out. But yeah, basically all this is these crab pot floats that I attached here through a PVC tee and then connected to an aluminum tube and bolted a flagpole holder from Lowe's into my boat. Crab pot floats, got the crab pot floats from Amazon, 3/4 inch aluminum tubing. You do not want to use PVC pipe with this tubing if you build these. Go back and watch the video. You need aluminum tubing. The PVC pipe will give and it'll end up breaking. So those work as stabilizers that allow me to fully adjust this. So when I'm traveling somewhere, I bring this up and this is removed and it travels in my car, so those don't get any unnecessary wear and tear on them. But this tells me the voltage. Like I have 13 volts on my electronics battery right now. It also has 4 different things that I can hook up. You can hopefully you can see those blue lights come on up there. So if I hit this first switch, it turns my headlights on up there. So this is for night fishing, so you can kind of see in front of the boat, so we can spot our noodles or whatever we're using. Yeah, I can definitely see the bluegill. There they are right there.
The speed you're going now is not scaring them. As long as you don't lose your feet too
And then we've got these inboard lights here that are under the bow, so or under the deck there, so they're kind of for the person up front. Plus they look cool. Wait, okay. So the rocker switch is right here, and this one here controls those blue lights up there. So that's for the person that will be sitting up here in the front. They're kind of bright. I wish I could control the brightness on them, but you can't. And then you've got these guys right here. So that's what I'm running with at night. You can see it is really, really bright, but it looks pretty cool, right? And then this one here is for my fish finder. So I can turn that on, accept, and then this will just start running. Now it's not in the water right now, so I'm not gonna just let it run, turn it back off. Hankai 4 horsepower, 4-stroke motor. This thing actually came as it is right now. As you see it, it came out of the box. I literally added oil and gas and it starts right up. So what you do is it's got a little, let me turn it this way so you can see. It's got a little bulb right here that you would pump gas into. I've already done that, but you would just pump till you see the gas coming through the line there. And again, I already added oil. All you'd really do is over here, move this little switch up right there into the start position, and then we'll start it up. Oh. Well, I thought we would. Maybe not. There we go. So, I know you're not going to be able to hear me right now, but this thing starts right up. Let me just show you. And it runs great. Yeah, I'm really happy with everything that I've done with the boat, from everything we talked about today to even some little things that I haven't even mentioned. I'm done. Nothing else is going to be added to we're looking at maybe painting the boat. That'll be pretty cool. But beyond that, yeah, any questions you have about what I did, how I did this or how I did that, if I don't already have a video on it, then feel free to ask me in the comments, and I'll answer you. I only have like 30 subscribers or something, so it won't be too hard to keep up. Yeah, I appreciate you watching the video, and like I said, you got any questions or comments or suggestions of things that I can do, then I would love to hear it. All right, thanks for watching the video. See you next time.